Hi, my name is Grecia Gomez and today I will explain you how to install Chocolatey, Python and Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. Okay, I will start by installing the Visual Studio Code. I already have it, but I will give you the steps. First of all, we will have to open Chrome or any browser that we usually use. I will use Chrome, and you will have to write this code.visualstudio.com. Okay, and here we have the main page. I'm going to install it for Windows, but if you want it for, well, if you have another computer like a Mac or Linux, you can also install it here. But I'm going to click here, download for Windows. Okay, it will open us a new page, and here it tell us the cancel. Okay, when you open when you click download for Windows and this page is open, the Visual Studio Code it's going to be download in your computer. But as I already have it, I will just search for it in my computer. Okay, it's here. Downloads. I don't see it. Okay, it's here. VS Code User. And I will install it again. Okay. Okay. For the license, we will agree. Next. I want to create an icon in my desk, so I will click it. And for me, that's all. If you want to add something else, you just have to select it or choose it. Okay, and install. It is preparing. This will take maybe a minute or less. And here we can drink a cup of coffee or something while we wait. It's faster than I expected. Okay, and we're going to finish. And then the Visual Studio Code, it's going to be open. Here, as I told you, I already have it. Here I have the exercise that we did in class. Okay. But I want to show you how to download Python or the language here. We just have to search, where is it? We just have to search for the extension Python. And here we have it, Python 2020. You just have to click install and it is done. Okay. Yes, and you can also enable it or uninstall it. Okay, now I am going to start with the Chocolatey. Okay. In order to install Chocolatey, we will have to go to the official page chocolatey.org. And here we can see the product, the solutions, the community. We can read all about Chocolatey. What is Chocolatey? The courses, contact them, anything, okay? But we just want to install it, so we're going to click here, install now. Let me erase this. Okay. Now we will have to read the instructions very careful because we don't want anything to fail. Okay. Step 1. This is optional. It says that we can subscribe, but we don't want it. Okay, step 2, know the requirements. Windows 7, in my case I have Windows 10, so I think that I won't have any problem. And the PowerShell. This, we have to ensure that we are using an administrative shell. How do we do that? Okay, we will have to search for the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and we will have to execute it as an administrator. Okay? Wait, yes. Okay, installing Chocolatey is super easy and super simple if you have Windows 10. If you don't, you will have to read this. You will have to you must ensure the get execution policy. It is not harder, but it is easy if you have the Windows 10, okay? For Windows 10, you just have to copy this these words and you have to paste them. Control V, enter, and we will have to wait because my computer is reading the Chocolatey. It will take less than a minute. Okay, you can set them. I think that is ready. Okay, if we don't have problem with that, we will continue. And if we don't see mistake, we are ready to use Chocolatey. It says here, if you don't see any errors, you are ready to use Chocolatey. Tap Choco or Choco this, and you are getting ready. You're getting started, sorry. So I'm going to type Choco. And it's here. So, Choco, question mark. Oh, it's more than I expected. So here we have everything about the Chocolatey. The default option says switches. Now, if we want to install Python, I already have it because I installed it before and it was a little bit difficult. Well, I was a little bit scared of the security and all of that. Now, in order to install Python with Chocolatey, we just have to go to community package. We're going to search for Python. Where are you? Here. We have to copy that. It is super easy. We paste it and it is okay. We have to wait a little bit, and here we have the newest version of Python 0.9, and now we're ready to become Pythoners. We can program now. Well, I'm just waiting for it to be on 100. Right. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I paused it. Sorry. Well, I hope that you like this video. I know that my English is not that